good. And maybe, ooh, one down here. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, hey, my friends. It's me. It's Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. Isn't this a beautiful day? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's springtime, and Handyman Hal loves springtime, especially because of Easter. Look, that's what we're doing today. Oh, we're putting out Easter eggs for an egg hunt. Have you ever had an egg hunt before? Oh, they're great. Oh, and look, got all kinds of cool eggs in here. Got even something that looks like a little bunny. That's great. Let's see what else we got. Oh, there's something that looks like a carrot. Bunnies eat carrots. Oh, this one's cool. Look, that's like an orange and black ladybug. That's really cool. They even got some sparkly ones. Those are kind of cool. I've got all kinds of colors, like yellow, oh, and blues, oh, and even pinks. That's great. And look, there's even big ones. Well, that one looks like a basketball. Oh, and look, there's another one. It looks like a soccer ball. Wow. Well, we got to get these out for my friends to find. So come on, let's go get some more out. One's right here. Wow. Whew. This is tough. I gotta put out all these eggs. All out there for my friends to find. This might take all day. But the handyman, he's got a plan. Come on, let's go to the workshop. Let's go build something. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, my friends. All right, we got some wood there. Oh, some expensive wood. Oh, and look, I even got some wood like this. This is a wooden dowel. Look, it's a round, circular, kind of like a wooden pole. It's really cool. All right, let's see, where can we put this so it won't roll away? Oh, got a great idea. Look, right into the safety cone. Perfect, it's not gonna go nowhere. So, what are we gonna build today? We're gonna build a catapult. Oh, do you know what a catapult does? Or what it is? It's like a big arm that gets pulled back with a lot of tension and let it go. And it throws stuff really, really, really far. Oh, like this, watch. Got some paper here, check this out. Oh, that's so cool. So we put something inside this arm and it goes all the way back. Woo! And it throws it. That's amazing. All right, so let's see here. What do we gotta do here? Let's draw this out. Okay, so the base is gonna be square, kind of like that right there. Yep, there. And then we're gonna have the big arm that shoots straight up with, oh yeah, like a basket. And then it's gonna go back and it's gonna sling forward. So let's see, we'll drop it 2 feet there, maybe 3 feet there. Oh, we'll make that like 3.5 feet. I think that'll be perfect. Oh, well come on, let's go. Let's get our wood. Come right on over here, look. Let's go to the saw. Of course, remember, saws are a little dangerous. They've got all their sharp teeth. So we gotta make sure that an adult is with you, right? Oh, I almost forgot. We gotta have our safety glasses. Here we go. Whoop, there it is, perfect. Oh, what else do we need? Oh, my tape measure. Oh, there it is. With all the numbers on it. So, let's measure out 3 feet. Let's see, there's 1 foot right there, see? 1F, there's a 2F there for 3 feet, 2 feet. And then there's a 3F for 3 feet. So now we gotta make a little mark, just like that right there. Oh, that way we know where to cut it. Oh, no, be careful. It's gonna get really loud. Here we go. Oh, and there it is. Whoa. It's perfect. Yep. We just got a few more pieces to cut. So let's cut them. Now, we've got all our pieces cut for the base of our catapult. Now we just gotta put it together. So we got our 2 long ones here, and we got 2 short ones. Okay, so the 2 long ones can be our sides. Oh, that's perfect. And then this one can be our back. There we go. And this one will be our front. Look, it's like we made a little rectangle. That's kind of cool. So let's see. Oh, we need our drill. And, oh, some screws. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Got a few screws right here. Look at them. See? All right. Now, we just got to put it together. So let's do it. One screw at a time. Put one right here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Line it up perfectly. Come on. Just like that. Drill it. Yeah. Wow. Did you hear that? It's amazing. We love our power tools. There we go. One more screw on this side here. I gotta make sure it's nice and sturdy. There it is. Let's do the other side. Make sure it's in there nice and sturdy. Gotta line it up a little bit better. There we go. Well, let's just flip it around. There we go. Cannot wait to use this. This is gonna be so much fun. I wonder what else we can put in this catapult. Oh, it's gonna be very interesting. What would you put in the catapult? Do you have anything that you would like to sling across the yard? Wow, we're making some really good progress. So we've got all of our pieces of lumber cut and we got the frame built. Now, we get to work on the arm. So the arm's gonna be like this right here. We're gonna sit like that. Stretch it back and oof. Oh wow, can you see it? I can see it now. Thousands and thousands of Easter eggs. It's gonna be great. So now, we just got to, let's see. Oh, we get to use our wooden dowel. We gotta get that in there. Ah, there it is. We're gonna put it right through here. And that is what the arm's gonna swing on. We've gotta make some holes for it first. And look at this really cool tool. Of course, we got our drill. Look at that. Isn't that really cool? This is called a paddle bit. It looks like a paddle. Oh yeah. So let's make some holes for our wooden dowels. All right, let's go. Ooh, yeah. Sweet. All right, let's see here. Oh, yes. This is looking really good. Oh, we're almost finished. Oh, yep. Got our arm on here. And this thing, it's gonna launch so many eggs. Oh, so now, oh yeah, that's right. Oh, we got some really cool stretchy tubing here. Oh, this is gonna be great. All right, so we're gonna take this and attach it to our arm to make it retract all the way back up. And then, look at our basket. All right, so this is what's gonna, oh, where's it? This is gonna attach right here at the top, just like that. And it's gonna sling our eggs up in the air just like that. Oh, I cannot wait. But first, we gotta drill a hole up here at the front for our stretchy tubey to go into. So let's do that. Oh. All right. Last one. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. We can get a lot of Easter eggs in there. Oh, yeah. Now, we just gotta tie off our tubing here. I think we'll be good to go. Oh, this is gonna be great. Oh, yeah. All right, my friends. Oh, we are back to the egg hunt. Oh, look at it. We got our catapult, and look, we even did some decorating. We got a little birdie there. We got some eggs, and look, oh, we even got a bunny on that side. That's really, really cool. Now, we get to test it out. Oh, yeah. Let's get a bucket. Oh, I cannot wait. We're gonna hide these eggs in no time. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. Eggs away. Wow. That works great. Oh, let's try one more basket. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna be great. One more time. Here it comes. Eggs away. Let's do some more. Oh, yeah. Isn't this awesome? It's like the coolest egg catapult ever. Oh, look, see, we even got our bungee straps, and when we pull it down, it stretches them really tight. Oh, and when we let go, it makes them fly in the air. Flying eggs. Oh, ooh, I got a great idea. You remember our big eggs? Oh, let's try these. Let's get these in here. Oh, there we go. One right there. Let's put some more in there with it. Oh, yeah, here we go. This is gonna be great. Here we go. Eggs away. Wow. That was awesome. Oh, wow, we've got this thing full of eggs, don't we, Abel? Oh, you ready to launch it? All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let go! Wow! Wow, that was a lot of eggs. I'm here with my friends. Oh, y'all good? Oh, do y'all like my egg-a-pult? Oh, it's like a catapult that we use to launch the eggs for you to find today. Oh, it's awesome, right?
They can go very high.
Yeah, they can. So you guys ready to find some eggs today?
Yeah!
All right, now look, we've got them all out over there. Oh, and look, we even got some over here by the trees. So you guys ready to go? Yeah?
I'll be over here.
Oh, you gonna be over there?
Yeah.
Okay, where you gonna go?
I can go.
All right, well you guys go. Have some fun. This is awesome.
Cause we're awesome, awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome.
You having fun? It just cracked. Oh, you can have scrambled eggs. They got all kinds of colors on it. Oh, and look, there's a bunny. Do you like bunnies? Yeah, bunnies are awesome.
We can play, we can have an awesome day, yeah. We're awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do, cause we're awesome. We're awesome.
I got one more friend I need you to meet. Look, it's the Easter Bunny. Oh, and he brought Easter eggs. Oh, that's a great idea. We can use them in our catapult. Our egg-a-pult. Haha, that's great. Oh, well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. See you later.
Find your eggs.
Tools are cool. They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. I want to hang this picture on the wall. I need to make sure that it does not fall. I've got my nail, I've got my ladder. I need one more thing, it's called a hammer. Tools are cool. Oh, they're so cool. They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. I want to make a table out of wood, and I need to make sure that it's gonna be good. This one little tool is my favorite treasure. What do we need? Of course, the tape measure. Awesome! Tools are cool. They're awesome. They can help us do anything. help us do anything that we want to do. I need to tighten this bolt to the screw. Yeah! When I try to use my fingers, it's so hard to do. There's a toolbox underneath that bench, and in it you will find an awesome wrench. Awesome! Tools are cool. They're super cool. They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. And if you're gonna use these tools, make sure you ask for help. Can you help me, please? The last thing that we need right now is for you to accidentally hurt yourself. There's one more tool I think I love the most. Oh, really? It does the work real fast. What is it, you ask?
What is it?
Sometimes it uses batteries for fuel. I'm talking about a power tool. Tools are cool. So awesome. They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything. So many things. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. They can help us do anything that we want to do. They can help us do anything that we want to do. Awesome!
We're having such an awesome day with this catapult. Oh, but check it out. We've got marshmallow birdies. Oh, let's try one out. They're tasty little birdies. Ooh. But we're gonna let them fly. Oh, this is gonna be great. Look, we've got yellow ones, we got blue ones, we got purple ones, and we got pink ones. Oh, this is gonna be great. Come on. Here we go. Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1, fly! Oh, that was awesome.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Is your slide slow? Well, then you have to try Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. That's right, Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray is bioengineered by a scientist in a lab to fix any slow, boring slide. Just watch as Handyman Hal applies it to any slide, and it takes action, going to work right away. The scientifically engineered molecules work deep down below the slide surface to ensure a fast, fun slide.
Awesome.
That is awesome, but don't take our word for it. Just listen to what this happy customer has to say.
Our family has been using Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray for years. Before, our slide was slow and disappointing. Now it's faster than ever. Thanks, Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. It's awesome.
I know. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray works on any kind of slide. Small slides, big slides, loopy slides, and even water slides. Amazing. Careful, kid. Stay on the slide. Oh, there you go. So call now and order yours today. Handyman Hal Slide Spray is not a real product. It's just a fun way to say thanks for watching Handyman Hal.